Want to give your watch face a fresh new look without changing the entire watch face? You can easily change the background color of certain watch face using Galaxy Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Galaxy Wearable app on your S25 Ultra. Go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch face. You will see your current watch face, and below it, tap customize. Tap background to see all available colors. As a note, the available colors might be different depending on the watch face you select. Choose the color you want. Once you are happy with it, tap save to save your selection. And that's it. As you can see, your watch will instantly reflect your new background color. This is a simple change that can give your watch a fresh and personalized vibe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.